Many drivers think that bubbling in car window films is just a cosmetic issue, but it actually hides more serious risks. Low-quality films or poor installation can cause bubbling. Once it happens, the film loses its heat rejection and UV protection, and may even release harmful chemicals. The adhesive in bubbled films may contain formaldehyde. Under heat, it releases faster, significantly reducing cabin air quality. Prolonged exposure poses potential health risks. Large bubbles can also distort visibility, increasing the risk of accidents, especially at high speeds or in rainy conditions. In hot climates like the Middle East or Southeast Asia, bubbling can cause cabin temperatures to soar, increasing AC load and fuel consumption. The right solution is to replace bubbled film immediately and choose a trusted brand with professional installation for long-term performance and safety. In global markets, premium window films are not just about looks and comfort, they are an investment in health and safety. Follow us for more automotive film technology insights and global market trends.